In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Discord subscription system with Whop 2025 in this updated 4.0 guide. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, this step-by-step guide will show you how to get your subscription system up and running seamlessly. First, let's start by creating your free Whop account. Head over to whop.com and look for either the Become a Creator or Start Selling button. Click on that and choose how you'd like to sign up, via Google, Discord, or email. Once you've set up your account, it's time to fill in your profile details. Add your store name, upload your logo, and make sure to complete your payout information through Stripe. With Whop, payments are processed automatically after each sale, so there's no need for manual invoicing. Next up, let's set up your Discord server. If you haven't already, open Discord and either create a new server or select an existing one. Organize your server with categories such as VIP members, resources, and general chat. Don't forget to create a private members-only channel specifically for your paying subscribers. Keep your server tidy and professional, as it represents your brand. Now let's connect Discord to Whop. From your Whop dashboard, navigate to Integrations and select Discord. Click on Connect Discord, after which you'll need to approve bot permissions to access your server. Choose your specific server from the list and authorize the bot. This bot will automatically manage users based on their subscription status, simplifying your workload. The fourth step involves creating your Discord product on Whop. Hit the Create Product button and select Discord Server Access as your product type. Link your previously set up Discord integration and specify which roles customers should receive after their purchase. Ensure these paid roles are already set up inside Discord before you proceed. Let's move on to setting your pricing and subscriptions. Think about what kind of pricing structure works best for you. Options include a one-time payment for lifetime access, a monthly subscription, which is quite popular, or even a yearly plan with an optional discount. Establish a competitive price, such as $10 per month for general community access and $25 per month for premium access. Clearly outline your product title and description, emphasizing the benefits of joining. A little tip: including perks like early access or mentorship calls can add significant value. Once you've chosen your pricing, it's time to customize your store page. Upload a banner, cover photo, and a product image to make your store visually appealing. Write a clear, benefit-driven description that captures attention. It's also wise to include a section for FAQs to address common inquiries about refund policies and what happens post-payment. You might even add Discord invite previews as sneak peeks to engage potential customers further. Finally, we're at the exciting part: publishing and sharing your store link. Click on Publish to make your product live, then copy your Whop store link. Share this link widely. Post it in your Discord welcome channel. Broadcast it across social media platforms such as Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, or Reddit, and include it in your bio or link in bio pages. Remember, Whop takes care of all payment processing, access control, and renewals, leaving you free to focus on delivering value to your audience. As your members join, WhopSpot diligently manages them for you, adding new members right after payment and removing access when payments lapse. You can keep track of all your customers from the dashboard under the Customer section. This system eliminates the tedious task of manually checking and managing subscriptions, streamlining your workflow. And there you have it. You're now equipped with everything you need to set up and manage a Discord subscription system with